everyone across the globe. We should be on the way very shortly. The players will be with us. Benteke. Sturridge. He's off on a marauding run. And it's a goal! Sturridge with the smoothest one-on-one. The chances keep on coming. They're awarded another corner. Fence has got rid of that. Option. Tries a through ball. And Benteke! He's done very well to get to that. Oh, he's done everything. He's gone out for a throw-in. It's a good run down the left-hand side. Benteke passes it through. Now it's Sturridge, looking to force his way through. What about it? Two to the good. They have breathing space.
Yeah, I love the finish, but I think had the pass been delayed for just a second longer, I think he would have been flagged.
And the whistle goes for half-time.
Substitution.
Forward to slip up and concede another. The next goal becomes crucial.
Aimed long and direct. They are rampant! Oh, he's come up against a brick wall there. Sturridge. Looks like a good ball through. Milner. And that's left him on the seat of his pants. He's been taken down and the referee has pointed at the spot to increase the lead. Corner. Milner. Out wide to the right. Now it's Milner. Milner. And Coutinho! They've done it!
Having that sort of player in your side is reassuring because the rest of the team knows he can make his influence count at any stage. It's simply part of his package. When he really wants to, this fella scores.
Lucas. And it's Milner. Benteke with the ball through. Lucas! Puncheon. It's been intercepted and that will come to nothing. Time added on 4 minutes. Can he find a finish now? It's a loose ball. The referee has seen enough. Well, the scoreline doesn't tell the whole story.